The recent interception of 66 firearms, including 16 assault rifles and 4,700 rounds of ammunition by Jamaican authorities, underscores a critical and persistent threat to Jamaica's national security. This incident is not isolated. Similar seizures have occurred, such as the confiscation of 64 guns and 965 rounds of ammunition at Kingston Wharves in February of 2024, and the discovery of 52 firearms and nearly 3,000 rounds of ammunition in December of 2024. The recurring nature of these events raises pressing questions about the efficacy and commitment of US agencies like the TSA, FBI, and others in stemming the flow of illegal firearms into Jamaica. The ease with which these weapons traverse borders suggests significant lapses in detection and enforcement mechanisms, given the sophisticated tracking technologies and intelligent capabilities at the disposal of American agencies. It is perplexing and unacceptable that the sources and shippers of these deadly consignments remain largely unapprehended. The lack of robust coordination and information sharing between US law enforcement and the Jamaica Constabulary Force exacerbates this crisis. While Jamaican authorities have demonstrated vigilance and resilience in intercepting these shipments, their efforts are undermined by insufficient support from their American counterparts. This disconnect not only endangers Jamaican lives, but also fuels instability that can have far-reaching implications beyond the island shores. It is imperative then that the United States acknowledges its role in this ongoing issue and takes decisive action. This includes implementing stringent export controls, enhancing surveillance of outbound shipments, and prosecuting individuals and networks responsible for arms trafficking. Moreover, establishing a formal and effective partnership with Jamaican law enforcement is essential to dismantling the pipelines that facilitate the illegal flow of firearms. That is, if the American authorities care about it, the illegal flow of guns into Jamaica. The time for complacency has long passed. The United States must demonstrate a genuine commitment to curbing the export of illegal firearms and collaborate earnestly with Jamaican authorities to protect lives and to uphold justice. If not, then Jamaican authorities must see the lack of effort on the part of the Americans as deliberate in allowing all of these weapons to flood the country. And in this deep dive, we ask, why? Well, I think we know the answer. Thank you.